In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order animations in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're creating an eye-catching presentation or a vibrant social media post, knowing how to effectively manage animations can greatly enhance your design's impact. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to canva.com. Once you're there, locate the login button at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll need to sign in using your credentials. Canva offers several easy login options. You can sign in with your Google account, Facebook, or simply use your email address. This flexibility makes it convenient to access your projects from anywhere. Now that you're logged in, it's time to either create a new design or open an existing one that you want to work on. This step sets the foundation for the creative process that we'll be exploring. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and select the type of design you want. If you're continuing from a previous project, locate it and open it up. Once you're in the design interface, the next step is to select the specific element you want to animate. This could be anything from a text box to an image or any other design asset. Selecting your element allows you to focus your animation effects precisely where you want them. With your element in focus, take a look at the floating toolbar, often positioned at the top or on the side of your screen, and click on More. From the drop-down that appears, select Show Element Timing. This action will bring up the timeline view, which is pivotal for managing animations efficiently. At this stage, you'll notice a timeline that appears below the editing canvas. This feature allows you to visually assess how your animations are sequenced. To reorder the animations, simply drag and drop the animation tiles along this timeline. This intuitive drag and drop functionality allows you to decide the order in which the animations deploy during playback. Beyond reorder, you also have the capability to adjust the duration of each animation. By using the side handles on the animation tiles, you can extend or shorten the time each animation takes. This gives you granular control over the pacing of your design, ensuring that your animations are neither too rushed nor too slow. If you're working with grouped elements, there's an additional step you can take to coordinate the animations of these collective components. Apply an animation effect to the grouped elements to control their overall appearance timing. This can be particularly useful when you want multiple elements to appear as a cohesive unit. And there you have it. With these steps, you've now mastered the basics of ordering animations in Canva. By experimenting and tweaking these settings, you can create captivating and dynamic designs that capture your audience's attention. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.